back to Baking for Beginners. Today we're talking about the most important tool in the baker's kitchen, the kitchen scale. I love you, kitchen scale. As we know, baking is a science. There are tons of actual chemical reactions happening in there, the oven. A kitchen scale will allow you to measure dry ingredients more accurately than with a volume measure. A volume measure measures liquid ingredients. We use dry measures to measure dry things. There's one problem though. They're still volume measures. So depending on the size of the particle you're measuring, its density, its texture, can mean it takes up more space than the same weight of something else of a different density and texture. So we're gonna use a kitchen scale to battle this problem. Depending on the kitchen scale you get, generally you'll have two main buttons. On-off button does what it sounds like, turns it on and off. 0 is what you really wanna know about. So the 0 button is the best button in the world. You press the 0 button when you want to zero out your scale. The unit button is when you wanna switch your unit. The best example I can give you is flour. Flour is a fine powder, and depending on how you scoop it, you will get different weights. If you're somebody who scoops and packs like this, you're packing the particles together. They're no longer aerated, and you're fitting more flour in here. So the best way to avoid this is to use your kitchen scale. Then it doesn't matter how you scoop it, you're gonna have the weight that you're gonna need. So now that we know the importance of kitchen scale, thank you kitchen scale, go and get yourself one. They are more affordable every day since they've been created. That's it for today. I'm Allie, and check out Lifehacker for some more tips and tricks.